name is James Bob. I'm talking about come on. I'm talking. Yes, I'm gonna play nice hockey in this whole video, no lie. If I'm lying, sue my ass. If I'm lying, my eyes turn black and fall off the line. If I'm lying, I'll collapse now, but I'm not lying. Today's Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. It's around 12:49 p.m. Just to prove to you, I'm in Riverdale Park East. The time here is an hour faster. Let's see backward skating combo to underlays lacrosse move. Stay healthy. No lie. I'm gonna play nice hockey in this whole video. If I'm lying, sue my ass. I'm lying, my eyes turn black and fall off the line. I'm lying, and collapse now, but I'm not lying. Selfie. Happy Chinese New Year. I'm Chinese Canadian. 新年快樂. Happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜發財.